Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a lark's head knot, which is basically just the knot that you do to attach rope to a dowel or ring if you're making a plant hanger. So on this one we're going to be doing a dowel as if we're making a wall hanging. You'll take your piece of rope, and no matter how long it is, you want to fold it in half, and then this will be the halfway point here, this little loop. So I'm going to take that halfway point, I'm going to put it in front of my dowel and then bend it back behind my dowel, and then I will take my excess rope here and put it through my loop like this and then tighten. I'll know that I've done it correctly because I should have this little line here in the front. If you don't have that line, then that means you've done a reverse lark's head, which looks like this. That's if you came from the back to the front and then pulled the excess through here, and then you'll see you don't have your line anymore. Some people prefer to do reverse lark's heads for their wall hangings. I always do just a standard lark's head with the line in the front. I think it looks a little cleaner, but it's really up to you. So that's how you do a lark's head knot. I hope that this video was helpful.